Hi, everyone. We are Alejandro Garcia, Valeria Moreno, Matías Munives, and Ginette Paola Espinosa Guerra. We are students for 246 Software Design and Development. And during this trimester, we were working in an app. This app is called Donazon. And the main idea of this app is a way to help people in need with donated items. We initially will be working on an app for stakes and words and give them a way to offer personal donations to church members. In this way, the sponsor will prepare donations for stakes words for specific members in need. Okay, this app, the purpose of this app, like people can share the items they have at home they are not using, and the other people in need, they can use it, okay? And right now, if you can see in the screen, we have our design. We were working in Android Studio, and we were using Java as a language, as a programming language. Okay, to start this explanation about the app, we create a sign-in activity. Every time that the people want to use this app, they need to create an account. And to create this account, they will request the full name, the email, as you can see right now, the password, and a phone number. Everything needs to be real, and that will be a way to verify this information. And of course, in the email, you can use anything like Gmail, Hotmail, it's up to you. Okay. In this case, we will use this email and we can register. And also, if you can see, this has a specific characteristic that need to be greater than 6 characters, and we need to use a real Gmail, Hotmail. Because this is a real email, we won't show the specific information, but we can show you the verification. The point of this is have an email that can confirm that it's a real account, okay? Okay, this is processing right now, and the user account is created. If you can see this pop up, we can create it like that. And now if you can see in the screen, we have an email that says verify your email for donation. If you can click in the link, we can see this. You can now sign in with the new account. Sign in. Okay. As you can see right now, the last one today is July 17, 2021, and we create this account, okay? Now we can go to the app. And we can log in right now. And the password. Okay. And now, if we can see, we create 4 different buttons, and we have a go to catalog. Okay, this is the main idea right now. We can go there. Okay, in this activity, we create the information, as you can see, the donation, the welcome, this hello here, and it's a way that we can select the product that we want to choose, okay? If you can see, we have different categories. We have shoes. If we pass in the next one, we have mobiles. If we pass in the next one, we have books. The interesting part here is every item has an ID and have a description. And this information was taken from the database for Firestore. If we can see here in Firestone, we create different categories, and inside every category we have items. Okay, the first part of this application is call these items and introduce in the app. It's nothing that we create manually. This is something coming from Firebase. Okay. How we can do that? Like if we see in the Firebase, again, if we can open in Google the Firebase that we were using, we create in donation 5B40A, we have the big name of these categories right now. This is how it's connecting in the code, okay? And the next part, in these categories, we display the names of every category. In this case, is the books, electronics, furniture, home, mobiles, shoes, sport, and toys. Here is the place that we describe every detail for every article. In this case, we have an ID, we have a category name, we have a description, and we have an icon that is a link of the picture that we want to show and the people that is interesting in this item can select, okay? Now we will come back to the iPad, the app, and we can see different activities. Right now, the app is created with the purpose of show the car, okay, the items, and also if you can see this heart, that will be for future use. We can select and put everything in the card. If we can go to the activity card in XML, we can see how every item that we choose in this big screen of the cell phone, that will appear here. That's the main purpose. When the person chooses the different items, we can confirm the request. That is this button that is down. And after that, that will jump to this activity. In this activity, we will have the final list of the items that we choose. And also, the app will send an email to the donator. And this person, like the person that is interested in the article and the person that donated the article, they can be in contact by an email, okay? This is how this works. And now I will show you how every activity that was created works or is shown or displaying right now. If we can go to edit profile, that was the first part that we see. We can see how is a picture here, how is request the first name, the email, and the phone. After have this information, we can save this information and we can jump to the account. In this case is login activity login. And this is how you can see when you enter, when you try for first time in the app. After this, if we are in catalog, this is the second activity that we have, we can see the items that is showing right now in the phone. Okay. The next step when we add to the cart is enter in the new items. It's like that. Okay, this is the next part of the app. When the people want to donate, they need to upload an item. And this is the way that they will do it. If you can see in the text view that we have there, we will describe the name of this article. And also we can add a picture and the details of this article. This is the way that the people can know and have a clear idea what they want to choose. After we add the article, we can see the request finished, and that's it, how that will work. To show a little bit more of the app, if we see the phone, if we are focusing the phone, we have this the email icon. This will go directly to your email. Also, the picture of the user will go or will send you to the profile information. Okay, if we go down and you can see this plus, and you can see the plus part, that will be the way that we can add an article or an items. And the next part, we can make some configurations, some settings, and this is the way how the app will work in the future. And this object is for searching, and we can define what category we are trying to find, or we can try to write the name of the item. This is the way that you can find easily your item. Okay, if you can see, we have different categories. In the future, we can add more categories depending on the people how they want to donate some articles. And basically, this is the work that we were doing for a few weeks. And the idea with this is the people can use it and can continue working with the app and develop more characteristics and more details that make this app functional and a better way to really use in the LDS church. And also, we can think more like bigger. We can think like an Donazon as an Amazon, and we can do a better job with this. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything, and